Stop, take a breath. Did you know that 2025 could be the year you either catapult your finances to new heights or regret the chances you didn't take in the next 5 minutes? I'm going to show you why this year is a game changer for your wealth and how you can seize it, but beware, waiting too long could cost you more than just money. Let's dive in. Let's face it, most people your age feel stuck. Inflation is eating into your savings, rent prices are skyrocketing, and investing feels like a game rigged for someone else. Sound familiar? You're not alone. But here's the kicker, sitting on the sidelines is no longer an option, because in 2025, the rules of the game are changing. This year is set to bring a perfect storm of opportunity, a potential economic reset, AI-driven industries exploding, and shifts in government policies creating new wealth-building avenues. Miss it, and you could be left behind while others thrive. Imagine looking back in a decade, wishing you had acted sooner. Scary, right? But here's the good news, 2025 is also the year you can rewrite your financial story. Here's how. Leverage emerging markets. Industries like green tech, AI, and biotech are on the brink of massive growth. Companies innovating in these spaces are tomorrow's giants. Research and invest in them early. Optimize your skills. AI is automating jobs, but it's also creating opportunities for those who upskill. Think coding, data analysis, or digital marketing, skills that make you recession-proof. Rethink your spending habits. The wealthy don't just earn more, they spend smarter. It's time to cut out the lifestyle inflation and channel that cash into investments. Every dollar you save today can grow exponentially tomorrow. Quick check, how many subscription services are you still paying for and not using? Yeah, I thought so. You see, 2025 isn't just another year, it's a turning point. This is your chance to outsmart the system, build wealth, and design the life you've always dreamed of. But you have to act now. The window of opportunity is closing fast, and trust me, regret is far more expensive than risk. So, what's your next move? If you're ready to take control of your financial future, I've got the perfect guide for you. It's called the 843 Rule of Investing, a simple yet powerful strategy that breaks down exactly how to grow your wealth. Click on the video right here, visual cue to next video. Don't wait, your future self is counting on you. Thanks for watching. Now, go turn 2025 into the year that changes everything. See you in the next video.